I just want to make a quick video on this weed whacker. It was a quality control issue from the factory. This is one of those weed whackers that take those attachments. So the thing hooks on the power into this. And where they had this set right here, and you put this end on, right? These things have some movement to them, both of them. So since they move, because this was set where it is, it was popping out of the bell housing that the clutch rubs against to turn the thing. So to fix it, all I had to do, drill a hole and set this back a little bit further, and it'll fix the problem. So that's what it is, and I didn't realize it right away either. I opened that up, took the bell housing off, checked the clutch. There was a little bit of wear on it. I cleaned it off. I even put a different end on it. Thought I had it fixed, and then it started slipping again. So then I was thinking, maybe it needs just something on the end of this thing to take up the slack. And I thought about it. It was like, it's the attachment unit. And this thing is just hooked on there to put the attachments on. I said, if you just set that back a little bit, that's going to take up the tolerance and it won't slip. So I'm going to do that right now. And I guarantee it'll be fixed. So this machine, this thing's brand new. It was like never used. As a result of it not being used, the carburetor had to be cleaned out. That's it.